How to add website in Pinterest. So if you want to add website in Pinterest, then first of all you have to open up your Pinterest application. And after opening your Pinterest, you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And then here you have to simply go to the upper right corner, which has the three dots icon, and then head over to settings. Now under settings, here you will have a public profile, which is on the first option. You can simply tap on public profile. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Now if you want to add website, then if you scroll down here on the last option, you will have a website. Simply tap on the website, and here you can add your website. Like for example, you can add a link, and after adding that you can go to done, which is on the upper right corner. And after tapping on done, your website will be added. So that's it. That's the way to add website to your Pinterest account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.